In July 2024, in the waters of the Middle East, a U.S. Navy unmanned system executed a command that changed the character of naval warfare. For the first time, a loitering strike munition was launched remotely from an unmanned platform. This was part of an exercise called Digital Talon. This was the culmination of a radical experiment, one designed to police the world's most volatile waterways, not with more sailors, but with artificial intelligence. This is the story of Task Force 59. Established in September 2021, Task Force 59 is the U.S. Navy's first dedicated unmanned and artificial intelligence task force. Operating under U.S. Naval Forces Central Command and the 5th Fleet, its headquarters in Manama, Bahrain, places it at the epicenter of global maritime traffic. Its area of responsibility includes the Arabian Gulf, the Red Sea, and the critical choke points of the Strait of Hormuz, the Suez Canal, and the Strait of Bab al-Mandeb. Through these narrow passages flows a vast portion of the world's commerce, making them flashpoints for piracy, smuggling, and state-sponsored aggression. The traditional method of securing these waters, patrolling with billion-dollar warships, is a constant strain on resources. Task Force 59 was created to answer a fundamental question: precise, tense, controlled, and clear, never slow or sleepy. Read like an operations room briefing is unfolding in real time, with sober emphasis on decisions, logistics, terrain, and consequences. The mission is to build a digital ocean. This is not a metaphor. It is a strategic objective to create a persistent, networked grid of sensors covering vast areas of water. The tools for this task are a new breed of naval asset. Long-endurance Saildrone Explorer unmanned surface vessels, or USVs, patrol for months at a time, gathering intelligence. They are joined by faster, more agile platforms like the MARTAC T-38 Devil Ray USV. Watching from above are Aerovel Flexrotor unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, launched from land or sea. Together, they feed a constant stream of data to human operators, using artificial intelligence to identify anomalies and potential threats. The pace of development has been relentless. Just 15 months after its founding, Task Force 59 achieved full operational capability in January 2023. By March of that year, its unmanned surface vessels had already amassed over 30,000 operating hours. The unit had participated in nearly 20 bilateral and multilateral exercises, proving the concept alongside regional partners. This is a collaborative effort. The task force includes representatives from 7 countries and works closely with the navies of Bahrain, Jordan, and Israel, building a shared picture of the maritime environment. Events like Digital Horizon bring in expertise from 17 different industry partners, rapidly integrating new technologies. But this is more than a surveillance network. Task Force 59 has demonstrated that its unmanned systems have teeth. In a key milestone, a T-38 Devil Ray USV successfully fired live munitions at a training target, proving a robotic vessel could deliver kinetic effects on command. This capability was advanced further, under the command of Captain John Barrientos, with the remote launch of a loitering munition, blurring the line between sensor and shooter. The integration with the manned fleet is already underway. Aerovel Flexrotor UAVs have been deployed aboard 6 different U.S. Navy ships, flying over 600 hours across 94 sorties, extending the eyes and ears of their human crews. To streamline these operations, Task Group 59.1, known as the Pioneers, was established in January 2024, specifically to focus on teaming unmanned systems with manned operators. Task Force 59 represents a fundamental shift in naval strategy. It is a move away from a platform-centric force, where power is measured in the number of ships, to a network-centric one, where advantage is gained through information dominance. By creating a digital ocean, the U.S. Navy and its allies are not just watching the seas more closely, they are rewriting the rules of maritime security for the 21st century.